Hello and welcome. Did you know how easy it is to deploy a single simulation configuration to multiple simulation bots? Check out this video to see how easy it is. Within OfficeExpert, you have to select Settings and Bots Configuration in order to get the Bots Configuration page opened. Here you see all my simulation bots which are currently available, and if you expand one of them, then you see that underneath of that particular bot, 6 different sensors are currently configured. So for instance, I have here an Outlook web sensor configured with this kind of configuration. So the question is basically, if I have here 6 simulation bots there, and you would like to configure, let's say, a SharePoint simulation or any other type of simulation sensors to all of them, then usually it does not make sense to create them 6 times because you would always use the same configuration. So basically, the aim is to create just a single configuration and to deploy it to all of my simulation bots. So the procedure is pretty simple. So let's say that I would like to deploy a OneDrive web simulation. So that's my new OneDrive simulation. I give it an interval of every 10 minutes and he should upload and download 50 megs every time when this interval is executed. And I would like to assign this to all of my bots. So basically you select here all of the simulation bots. Whenever you have done that, you just simply save it. This my new OneDrive simulation sensor title will now appear underneath of every single bot, like we see here for this EHB bot. And the same is valid here for the AT bot. So I have configured with one configuration page or a form for every single bot this kind of configuration. The last step is just to hit the deploy button to get it deployed to all my simulation bots. So it's pretty simple to configure one configuration to assign it to multiple simulation bots. And for instance, if you want to get rid of it, it's just a simple delete. It's gone from all the simulation bots here. You hit the deploy button in order to refresh the configuration stuff out there. So that's pretty much simple how you can easily manage and configure different sensors for all your bots you have in your environment. Thank you.